Hello. Welcome to AJs Academy. In this class we are gonna learn how to get input from user. In order to take input from the user and assign it to a variable, we use scanf function. The syntax for using scanf is scanf then %d and double comasin then add and sign plus variable here and as the address of operator, and it means that the supplied value should be copied to the address which is indicated by variable sum. Now let's go to dev C++ screen. Here I am writing a program in which we will get input from the user. So first I am writing 3 variables, 2 for values, and on for the sum of those values. Now have a look here. After declaring scanf, I just added %d. This is the place where we will enter our value. And this in A is the variable in which our value would be stored. Now let's print out the sum of both values. Now in the output the user have to enter the values, and the sum will be automatically generated. Now I am commenting the above code. And let's try getting to get the single character and multiple character value from the user. First I will get a single character from the user, and then I will take multiple character values from the user. And while getting a single character value we have to write %c instead of %d, and at the other hand we will write %s instead of %c. So now let's run our program and see it's working. Now enter any character and then enter your name. And here it worked. But it's printed on a single line. Let's add a line break between both answer. So for that, add \n here. And our data will be printed after a single line break. So hope you understood how to get input from user. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.